friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Hello Kitty in a shark costume, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center by framing in the nose. So we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Moving across beside this, we're going to draw in an oval on the left hand side for the left eye, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. On the very top of both eyes, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight. And then we're going to color in our eye black. Let's come up on a diagonal. For the bow, we're going to draw in a nice big circle in the middle. Underneath, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back up on the bottom. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the top. Now from here in the middle, we're going to curve this around and down, replicating that underneath. Now let's draw in a nice big oval. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this around, arching this over, and we're going to tuck this all the way through and up on the right hand side. Let's draw on the shark teeth. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out, tucking that up on the left. We'll replicate that as we move over. And then we're going to do that one more time. Now from here, let's round that out underneath again. So we're going to curve this over, tucking this all the way around and through on the right. Let's come down now for the side of the face. We're going to curve this line in. We'll do the exact same thing as we move down in the middle. And then we're going to do that one more time. Now let's move up. Right in the center for the nostrils, we're just going to draw in a sesame seed shape on both sides, coloring that in black. Let's move over for the eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the center, let's replicate that again. Let's add in the highlight now. So on the top, we're going to draw in another circle. And then we're just going to color in our pupil black. Now let's frame in the shark head. So coming in towards the middle, we're going to curve this around, tucking this over and in on the left. And then we'll leave a small gap, replicating that on the right, arching this around and through. Let's draw on the fin on the top. So we're going to curve that line out. And then we're going to round this out from the top, arching that in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this over. And then from the side, arching that down and in. Let's draw on the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this down, replicating that on the right, ending that at the same height. Stepping in towards the center, drawing in a curved line. And then we're going to draw in a straight line coming directly down, ending that at the same height. We'll close that off on the bottom with a curved line on either side. Let's step up, replicating that, pulling that into the center. Let's draw in the pocket right in the middle. We're going to draw in a curved line. We're going to close this off with an arch line directly underneath. We're going to draw in a heart on the left-hand side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw on the arms. On the top, we're going to curve this around and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's move in. We're going to curve this line up on both sides. And then now for the tail, curving this around and through on the right. And then we'll do the exact same thing underneath, tucking that in. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty in a shark costume. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.